Tonight, like many nights before, I find myself drawn to the window. The allure of the night sky is irresistible, a silent call that beckons me to gaze upward and lose myself in the vastness of the universe. Each star, a distant sun, holds secrets and stories untold, waiting to be discovered. Above me a tapestry of stars twinkles against the velvet canvas of space. The night sky is a masterpiece, painted with the light of countless stars, each one a beacon of hope and mystery. The sheer number of stars is overwhelming, a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Among these distant suns lies Alpha Centauri, a beacon in the cosmic ocean. This star, so bright and prominent, stands out among the myriad of others, capturing our imagination and curiosity. It is a symbol of the unknown, a challenge to our ingenuity and determination. It beckons us with the promise of adventure and discovery. The light from Alpha Centauri has traveled for years to reach us, a journey across the void of space that inspires us to dream of our own voyages. What wonders might we find if we could traverse the distance and explore its mysteries? Could we, one day, bridge the immense gulf separating us from this neighboring star system? The idea of interstellar travel has long been a staple of science fiction, but with each passing year it edges closer to becoming a reality. Advances in technology and our understanding of the universe bring us ever nearer to the day when we might set sail for the stars. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars with a mixture of wonder and longing. Our ancestors, with their rudimentary tools and limited knowledge, gazed up at the same sky and felt the same sense of awe. They saw patterns in the stars, creating constellations and myths that have been passed down through generations. We've charted constellations, spun tales of celestial beings, and dreamt of reaching those distant points of light. The stars have been our guides, our storytellers, and our inspiration. They have driven us to explore, to learn, and to push the boundaries of what we know. Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our own, has held a particular fascination. Its proximity makes it a tantalizing target for exploration, a stepping stone to the wider universe. The possibility of planets orbiting this star adds to its allure, hinting at the potential for life beyond our own world. It's a tantalizing glimpse of what might lie beyond our solar system. The stars beyond Alpha Centauri are even more distant, each one a potential destination for future explorers. The universe is vast and full of possibilities, each star a new frontier waiting to be explored. Could this be our first port of call as we venture further into the cosmos? The journey to Alpha Centauri would be a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It would mark the beginning of a new era of exploration, one that takes us beyond the confines of our solar system and into the great unknown. Before we embark on this interstellar journey, we must first understand the vastness of the cosmos and the incredible distances that separate celestial bodies. To truly appreciate the scale of our universe, we need to grasp the profound distances involved. These distances are so immense that our usual units of measurement fall short. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at an astounding 186,000 miles per second. This speed is almost incomprehensible, yet it is the yardstick we use to measure the cosmos. Even at this breakneck speed, it takes light over 4 years to traverse the chasm between us and Alpha Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor. This journey of light, covering trillions of miles, highlights the vast emptiness of space. We measure this distance in light years, with 1 light year representing the distance light travels in a year. This unit helps us comprehend the otherwise unfathomable distances between stars and galaxies. Current spacecraft, despite their advanced technology, are far too slow for such a journey. The fastest rockets we have today would take tens of thousands of years to reach Alpha Centauri. Imagine a spacecraft traveling at the speed of our fastest rockets. It would still take an unimaginable amount of time to reach even the closest stars. This stark reality underscores the challenges we face in interstellar travel. This timescale presents a significant hurdle to interstellar travel. The vast distances and the slow speeds of our current technology mean that reaching another star system within a human lifetime is currently impossible. Clearly, we need a revolutionary approach to propulsion if we hope to make this journey within a human lifetime. New technologies, such as advanced propulsion systems, could potentially shorten these travel times dramatically. Concepts like warp drives, which bend space-time, or other exotic propulsion methods, could one day make interstellar travel a reality. These innovations are still in their infancy, but they offer a glimpse of a future where the stars are within our reach. Scientists and engineers around the world are tirelessly working on these groundbreaking technologies. Their efforts may one day enable humanity to traverse the vast distances of space and explore new worlds. The dream of interstellar travel is a testament to human curiosity and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. With continued innovation and determination, we may one day turn this dream into reality, opening up a new chapter in the story of human exploration. Enter the Alcubierre drive, a theoretical concept that has captured the imagination of physicists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. This mind-bending idea proposes distorting the fabric of space-time itself. Imagine a spacecraft riding a wave, compressing space in front of it and expanding space behind it. This distortion would allow the spacecraft to effectively travel faster than the speed of light, without violating any laws of physics. While the Alcubierre drive remains firmly in the realm of theory, it hints at the possibility of achieving seemingly impossible feats. It challenges us to think beyond our current limitations and explore the outer edges of scientific understanding. Beyond the challenges of propulsion, a journey to Alpha Centauri presents a myriad of other obstacles. The vast emptiness of space is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Cosmic radiation poses a constant threat to human health. The prolonged effects of zero gravity can weaken bones and muscles, and the logistics of providing food, water, and oxygen for a multi-year journey are daunting. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. Advancements in radiation shielding, artificial gravity, and closed-loop life support systems offer potential solutions. Rotating habitats could create artificial gravity, mimicking the conditions on Earth. Hydroponic gardens could provide a sustainable source of fresh food, while recycling systems would minimize waste and conserve resources. Section 5. Building a home among the stars. Imagine a spacecraft designed not just for travel but for long-term habitation. It would be a self-contained ecosystem, a miniature Earth hurtling through the void. Inside, generations might live out their lives, their children born amidst the stars. This vessel would be a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our indomitable spirit. Upon reaching Alpha Centauri, our intrepid explorers would be met with a system remarkably similar to our own. It boasts two stars, Alpha Centauri A and B, locked in a celestial dance. Orbiting these stars are planets, some potentially harboring the conditions necessary for life. Section 6. Destination Alpha Centauri. Landing on a planet in the Alpha Centauri system would be a pivotal moment in human history. It would mark the first time we set foot on a world beyond our solar system. The thrill of discovery, the allure of the unknown, would drive these pioneers to explore every corner of this new world. They would study its geology, its atmosphere, and search for signs of life. Could we find evidence of extraterrestrial organisms, perhaps even intelligent life? The possibilities are as vast and awe-inspiring as the universe itself. Section 7. A giant leap for humankind. Why embark on such a perilous and costly journey? The answer lies in the very essence of what it means to be human. We are a species driven by curiosity, a deep-seated desire to explore and understand the world around us. But beyond our thirst for knowledge, interstellar travel holds profound implications for our survival. The Earth is not immune to cosmic threats. By venturing into space, we diversify our portfolio of existence. We increase our chances of surviving as a species. Section 8. Pushing the boundaries of innovation. The technology required to reach Alpha Centauri may seem like science fiction today, but history has taught us that what seems impossible in one generation can become reality in the next. From the Wright brothers' first flight to landing a man on the moon, humanity has consistently defied expectations. Scientists and engineers are already making strides towards interstellar travel. Organizations like SpaceX and NASA are developing reusable rockets, advancing propulsion systems, and exploring new concepts like fusion power. The field of quantum physics holds particular promise, potentially unlocking new methods of manipulating space-time. Section 9. A future written in the stars. Reaching for the stars is not just about technological innovation, it's about pushing the boundaries of human potential. It's about daring to dream and having the courage to turn those dreams into reality. The cosmos beckons us with its infinite mysteries, urging us to explore, to discover, and to understand our place in the universe. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big and to believe that anything is possible. When a child gazes up at the night sky, they see more than just stars. They see possibilities, they see a future where humanity reaches beyond its earthly confines. The spark of curiosity ignited in young minds today will fuel the innovations of tomorrow. The journey to Alpha Centauri may be long and arduous, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the knowledge we will gain, the technologies we will develop, and the new frontiers we will cross. Each step we take into the cosmos brings us closer to understanding the very fabric of existence. One day, perhaps not in my lifetime but perhaps in yours, humans will set foot on a planet orbiting another star. This monumental achievement will mark a new chapter in human history, a testament to our ingenuity and perseverance. We will build new homes, create new societies, and perhaps even find new forms of life. We will look back at the Earth, a pale blue dot in the vastness of space, and marvel at how far we've come. This tiny speck, our home, will remind us of our shared origins and the unity of the human race. From this vantage point, the divisions that separate us will seem insignificant, and the need to work together for the common good will become ever more apparent. The spirit of exploration, the drive to reach beyond the horizon, is woven into the fabric of our being. From the earliest days of human history, we have looked to the stars and wondered what lies beyond. This innate curiosity has driven us to explore new lands, sail uncharted seas, and now, to venture into the cosmos. It's what makes us human, and it's what will ultimately lead us to the stars. Our journey into space is not just a quest for knowledge, but a journey of self-discovery. As we reach for the stars, we will uncover the true potential of humanity. And in doing so, we will write a future that is truly written in the stars. The year is 2225. Humanity stands at the cusp of a new era, an era where the lines between human and machine blur into a seamless tapestry of existence. Imagine a world where the digital and physical realms intertwine, where thoughts manifest in the blink of an eye, and the boundaries of reality extend far beyond the limits of our current comprehension. This is not science fiction. This is the potential trajectory of our species, driven by the relentless march of technological advancement. This future, however, is not without its challenges. As we venture deeper into the digital frontier, we must grapple with profound questions about the very essence of our humanity. What does it mean to be human in a world increasingly defined by ones and zeros? How do we navigate the ethical complexities of artificial intelligence and virtual realities? The answers to these questions will shape the destiny of our species for millennia to come. At the heart of every computer, every smartphone, every piece of digital technology lies a simple yet profound concept: the binary system. This system, though seemingly simple, is the cornerstone of our digital world, enabling the complex functionalities we often take for granted. This system, based on just two digits, 0 and 1, forms the bedrock of modern computing. These two digits, in their endless combinations, create the vast array of data and commands that power our devices, from the simplest calculator to the most advanced supercomputer. It is the language that computers understand, a language that translates our thoughts and intentions into tangible actions in the digital realm. Every keystroke, every swipe, every voice command is converted into binary code, allowing machines to interpret and execute our desires with precision. Think of it as the Morse code of the digital age, a series of pulses that convey complex information. Just as Morse code revolutionized communication in its time, binary code has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, making it an integral part of our daily lives. But unlike Morse code, which is limited to human communication, the binary system has become the lingua franca of the digital universe. It is a universal language that transcends borders and cultures, enabling seamless communication between devices and systems worldwide. It is the language of algorithms, of artificial intelligence, of the very fabric of our technological reality. From the simplest software applications to the most complex AI systems, binary code is the foundation upon which all digital processes are built. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the significance of the binary system will only continue to grow. With advancements in quantum computing and artificial intelligence, the binary system will evolve, but its core principles will remain essential to our technological progress. It will be the language that bridges our minds with machines, the code that unlocks the secrets of consciousness, and the foundation upon which we build our digital future. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible, the binary system will remain at the heart of our digital existence, guiding us into a new era of technological marvels. One of the most transformative technological advancements on the horizon is the brain-computer interface, or BCI. Imagine a world where thoughts are no longer confined to the realm of the mind, where we can control devices, access information, and even communicate with others using only the power of our thoughts. This is the promise of BCI technology. While still in its early stages, BCI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. For individuals with disabilities, BCIs could restore lost motor functions, allowing them to walk, talk, and interact with the world in ways that were once unimaginable. In the realm of education, BCIs could create immersive learning experiences, tailoring educational content to individual cognitive profiles and accelerating the pace of learning. But the implications of BCI extend far beyond these practical applications. By merging our minds with machines, we are essentially blurring the lines between the biological and the technological, ushering in an era of unprecedented human-machine integration. Section 4. Artificial Intelligence Partner, not Progeny. No conversation about the future of humanity is complete without addressing the elephant in the room: artificial intelligence, or AI. This technology, once the stuff of science fiction, has now firmly rooted itself in the fabric of our daily existence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives, from the algorithms that curate our social media feeds to the virtual assistants that respond to our queries. These systems learn from our behaviors, adapt to our preferences, and even predict our needs, making our interactions with technology more seamless and intuitive. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential pace, it is tempting to fall into the trap of dystopian narratives that depict AI as a threat to humanity. These stories often paint a picture of a future where machines surpass human intelligence and take control, leading to a world where humans are rendered obsolete. However, such narratives often overlook the immense potential of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. From healthcare to environmental conservation, AI has the capability to revolutionize various sectors and bring about positive change. Imagine AI working alongside climate scientists to develop innovative solutions to combat climate change. By analyzing vast amounts of environmental data, AI can help predict climate patterns, optimize renewable energy sources, and even suggest measures to reduce carbon footprints. Or consider AI assisting medical researchers in finding cures for currently incurable diseases. With its ability to process and analyze large datasets, AI can identify patterns and correlations that might be missed by human researchers, accelerating the discovery of new treatments and therapies. The key to harnessing the power of AI lies in viewing it not as a replacement for human intelligence, but as a powerful tool that can augment and enhance our own capabilities. By working in partnership with AI, we can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and problem-solving potential, paving the way for a future where humans and machines coexist and thrive together. Section 5. Beyond Reality, the Digital Frontier. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the line between the very meaning of life and death. Section 6. Where bits meet blossoms. As we embrace the digital revolution, it is crucial to remember that our technological advancements should not come at the expense of the natural world. In fact, technology can be a powerful tool for environmental conservation and sustainability. Imagine smart cities designed to minimize their ecological footprint, with buildings that generate their own energy, transportation systems that prioritize efficiency and sustainability, and urban farms that provide fresh, locally sourced produce. This is just a glimpse of what is possible when we integrate technology with nature. In this future, our digital creations would exist in harmony with the natural world, enhancing rather than detracting from the beauty and biodiversity of our planet. The key lies in adopting a holistic approach to technological development, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of all things and prioritizes the long-term health of our planet. Section 7. Humanity Redefined, Embracing the Binary Evolution. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it is essential to reflect on what it means to be human in a world increasingly defined by technology. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and biotechnology are reshaping our lives in ways we could have never imagined just a few decades ago. Will we become slaves to the machines we create, or will we harness their power to elevate our species to new heights of knowledge, creativity, and compassion? The choices we make today will determine the trajectory of our future. The answer, as with most things in life, is not simple or straightforward. It requires a nuanced understanding of both the potential benefits and the inherent risks of these technologies. The future of humanity in a binary-driven world is not preordained. It is a future that we will write together, one line of code, one ethical decision, one technological innovation at a time. Each step we take must be guided by a commitment to ethical principles and a vision for a better world. The binary evolution is not about abandoning our humanity. It is about expanding our definition of what it means to be human. It is about integrating technology into our lives in a way that enhances our human experience rather than diminishes it. It is about embracing the possibilities of technology while holding on to the values that make us unique. Our empathy, our creativity, our capacity for love and connection. These are the qualities that will ensure that our technological advancements serve to uplift humanity rather than undermine it. It is about using the tools at our disposal to create a future that is not only technologically advanced but also just, equitable, and sustainable for all. By fostering a culture of innovation that prioritizes human well-being and environmental sustainability, we can build a world where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously, each enhancing the other in a continuous cycle of growth and improvements in binary star systems. These planets experience unique day-night cycles and climates. These systems offer a wealth of resources and possibilities. From mining rare elements to studying stellar interactions, the potential is immense. The gravitational interaction between the two stars creates a complex and dynamic environment. This interaction can produce gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. This environment can lead to the formation of planets in the habitable zone. The process is intricate, influenced by the gravitational forces of both stars. The habitable zone is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. This is the sweet spot for life as we know it. Finding planets in this zone increases the chances of discovering extraterrestrial life. Binary star systems offer more chances to find planets in this sweet spot. The presence of two stars can create multiple habitable zones. They increase our odds of finding another Earth. The search for life beyond our planet is one of humanity's greatest quests, and binary star systems might hold the key. The vast distances between stars present a formidable challenge. To reach these distant realms, we need to develop revolutionary propulsion systems. Traditional chemical rockets are simply not up to the task. We need to think bigger, bolder. One promising avenue is antimatter propulsion. Antimatter is the mirror image of matter. When matter and antimatter collide, they annihilate each other, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. This energy can be harnessed to propel a spacecraft to a significant fraction of the speed of light. Another possibility is fusion power. Fusion is the process that powers the sun. It involves fusing together light atoms like hydrogen to create heavier elements like helium. This process releases enormous amounts of energy. Harnessing this energy would give us an inexhaustible source of power for interstellar travel. Interstellar journeys will be long and arduous. We will need more than just powerful engines. We will need sophisticated artificial intelligence or AI systems to assist us. AI can play a crucial role in navigation, communication, and life support. Imagine an AI system capable of piloting a spacecraft with incredible precision. This AI could navigate through the vast emptiness of space, avoiding obstacles and charting the most efficient course. It could also monitor the spacecraft systems, making adjustments and repairs as needed. Communication across interstellar distances will also pose significant challenges. AI can help us overcome these challenges by compressing data, correcting errors, and even translating alien languages. In essence, AI will be our indispensable partner in our interstellar endeavors. Section 5. The Challenges of Interstellar Travel, a Cosmic Obstacle Course. The journey to the stars will be fraught with challenges. As we venture beyond our solar system, we will encounter numerous obstacles that will test the limits of our technology and our resolve. The interstellar medium is not empty space, It is a vast expanse filled with particles and forces that can impact our journey. It's filled with dust, gas, and radiation. These elements, though seemingly insignificant, can pose serious threats to our spacecraft and crew. These hazards pose a threat to both spacecraft and crew. The tiny particles of cosmic dust, for instance, can cause significant damage when a spacecraft is traveling at high speeds. Cosmic dust, though tiny, can cause significant damage to a spacecraft traveling at high speeds. Even the smallest particles can puncture the hull or damage critical systems. Radiation from the sun and other stars can be harmful to human health. Prolonged exposure to this radiation can lead to serious health issues, including cancer and other illnesses. We will need to develop advanced shielding to protect both our spacecraft and ourselves from these hazards. This includes not only physical barriers but also innovative technologies that can deflect or absorb harmful radiation. The psychological toll of long-duration space travel is another challenge we must address. Living in confined spaces for extended periods can lead to feelings of isolation and claustrophobia. Confined spaces, isolation, and the lack of familiar sensory input can have profound effects on the human psyche. The absence of natural light, fresh air, and the ability to move freely can exacerbate these feelings. We will need to develop strategies for maintaining mental health and well-being during these long journeys. This could include regular mental health check-ins, virtual reality environments to simulate Earth-like conditions, and activities designed to promote social interaction and physical exercise. Section 6. The Promise of Binary Systems, New Worlds, New Discoveries. The challenges of interstellar travel are daunting, but the rewards are immeasurable. Binary star systems offer the potential for incredible scientific discoveries and the expansion of life beyond Earth. Imagine discovering planets with exotic atmospheres, strange life forms, or even evidence of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. These discoveries would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The resources of binary star systems could also help to secure the future of humanity. New sources of energy, minerals, and other vital resources could sustain our civilization for millennia to come. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 7. The Human Element, Adapting to Life Among the Stars. Life among the stars will require us to adapt. We will need Section 8. A Cosmic Legacy, Ensuring the Survival of Our Species. Our journey to the stars is not just about exploration and discovery, it is also about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. By expanding beyond Earth, we reduce the risk of extinction from events like asteroid impacts, pandemics, or ecological collapse. Imagine a future where humanity is spread across multiple star systems. This would make us much more resilient to existential threats. Even if one colony were to perish, the others would live on, carrying the torch of human civilization into the future. Investing in space exploration is an investment in our future. It is an investment in our children and grandchildren. It is an investment in the very survival of our species. Section 9. Our Destiny Among the Stars. The universe is calling. It is a vast and awe-inspiring realm, full of mystery and wonder. We are at a pivotal moment in human history. We have the opportunity to embark on the greatest adventure of all time, the journey to the stars. Let us embrace this challenge with courage, with curiosity, and with a profound sense of responsibility. Let us build a future where humanity takes its rightful place among the stars. A future where we explore the cosmos, unlock its secrets, and ensure the survival of our species for generations to come. Our destiny awaits among the stars. The year is 2250. The world as we know it has transformed beyond recognition. Cities gleam with advanced technology and the night sky is filled with flying vehicles, painting a picture of a future once only imagined in science fiction. Humanity is no longer confined to Earth. We have established colonies on Mars, built thriving communities on the Moon, and our space stations orbit the Earth like silent sentinels, watching over our home planet. We have stepped beyond our cradle, venturing out into the vast cosmic ocean. Our spacecraft traverse the solar system, embarking on missions that push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. Our ingenuity and thirst for knowledge have led us to this moment. In state-of-the-art laboratories, scientists and engineers work tirelessly, developing technologies that make interstellar travel possible. They monitor data from distant stars, seeking answers to questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. We stand on the precipice of a new age an age of interstellar exploration and discovery. Our spacecraft, designed for long-duration missions, are ready to embark on journeys to the farthest reaches of the galaxy. For millennia, we gazed at the stars, wondering about our place in the universe. Ancient astronomers charted the heavens, and dreamers imagined what lay beyond our world. Their curiosity laid the foundation for the incredible achievements we see today. We dreamed of reaching out, touching the face of the cosmos. Now, astronauts extend their hands in the vacuum of space, making contact with the unknown, bridging the gap between dreams and reality. Now those dreams are within reach. Spacewalks are routine, and our spacecraft navigate the void with precision and grace, exploring new frontiers and uncovering the secrets of the universe. The spirit of exploration, woven into the fabric of our being, drives us forward. Teams of explorers set foot on new planets, conducting research and making discoveries that expand our understanding of the cosmos. We are a species destined for the stars. Our journey is just beginning, and the universe holds countless wonders waiting to be discovered. Each mission, each step forward, brings us closer to realizing our potential as interstellar travelers. Our future lies among them, waiting to be written. The stars are not just distant points of light, they are destinations, each with its own story, waiting for us to explore and understand. As we reach for tomorrow, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all who came before and the promise of a boundless future. Our closest stellar neighbors beckon us. The vast expanse of space, filled with countless stars, holds mysteries and wonders beyond our imagination. Among these celestial bodies, the Centauri system stands out, calling to us with its promise of discovery and adventure. Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star, dances with Alpha Centauri A and B, a binary pair locked in a celestial waltz. This intricate dance of stars, a cosmic ballet, has fascinated astronomers for centuries. The gravitational interplay between these stars creates a dynamic environment, one that could potentially harbor planets with conditions suitable for life. This system, a mere 4.37 light-years away, is humanity's first target for interstellar colonization. The dream of reaching another star system has fueled our imagination and scientific endeavors. With advancements in technology, what once seemed like a distant fantasy is now within the realm of possibility. Our spacecraft, designed to withstand the rigors of deep space travel, are poised to embark on this historic journey. Alpha Centauri, a binary star system, offers a unique challenge and opportunity. The presence of two suns means that any potential planets would experience a complex interplay of light and shadow, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. This dual star system could provide insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems, expanding our understanding of the universe. Two suns grace its sky, casting shifting patterns of light and shadow. Imagine standing on a planet in this system, witnessing the dance of two suns across the sky, their combined light creating a mesmerizing display. The unique conditions of such a planet could lead to the development of life forms unlike anything we have seen on Earth. The planets that may orbit these stars hold the potential for life, for resources, for new beginnings. These exoplanets, located within the habitable zone of their parent stars, could have the right conditions for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The discovery of such planets would be a monumental step in our quest to find extraterrestrial life and expand humanity's presence in the cosmos. The challenges are immense, the distance is vast. Traveling to the Centauri system requires overcoming numerous obstacles, from the technical difficulties of building and maintaining a spacecraft capable of such a journey, to the physiological and psychological challenges faced by the crew. Yet these challenges are not insurmountable. With determination and ingenuity we can find solutions and make this dream a reality. Yet the human spirit is undaunted. Throughout history we have faced and overcome seemingly impossible challenges. Our drive to explore, to push the boundaries of what is known, has led to some of our greatest achievements. The journey to the Centauri system is the next great adventure, one that will test our limits and expand our horizons. We will answer the call of the Centauri. Our spacecraft, equipped with the latest technology and manned by a dedicated crew, will embark on this historic mission. The journey will be long and arduous, but the rewards are beyond measure. The knowledge we gain, the discoveries we make, will shape the future of humanity. We will reach for the stars. The Centauri system represents the next frontier in our quest to explore the universe. As we set our sights on these distant stars, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all humanity. Together, we will venture into the unknown, driven by our insatiable curiosity and our unyielding spirit of exploration. The journey to Alpha Centauri will be the ultimate test of human ingenuity. Generations may live and die aboard our starships, their lives dedicated to reaching this new frontier. Advanced propulsion systems, powered by harnessing the very fabric of spacetime, will propel us across the void. Fusion engines fueled by the elements themselves will roar to life, pushing us ever closer to our destination. Inside these vessels, life will continue. Families will be raised, knowledge passed down, and stories told. The longing for Earth will mingle with the anticipation of a new home. Limits of our potential are redefined. Reaching Alpha Centauri demands revolutionary technologies. Fusion power, once a distant dream, is now a reality. Our understanding of physics, honed over centuries, has given birth to engines capable of bending spacetime itself. We will harness the power of antimatter, unlocking energy on a scale never before imagined. Solar sails propelled by the very light of the stars will carry us across the vast interstellar gulf. These are not mere fantasies, but the products of human ingenuity. We will continue to push the boundaries of science, driven by our insatiable curiosity and our desire to explore the cosmos. Section 6. Seeds of a New Home. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on an alien planet is a monumental task. We must learn to cultivate food, generate energy, and create a closed-loop ecosystem that can support human life. Nanotechnology will allow us to manipulate matter at the atomic level, creating materials and structures specifically designed for the challenges of our new home. 3D printing will allow us to construct buildings, tools, and even entire habitats from the raw materials of the planet itself. The challenges are immense, but we will overcome them. We will transform barren landscapes into fertile gardens, and in doing so, we will transform ourselves. Section 7. Worlds Yet Unknown. The planets of Alpha Centauri are shrouded in mystery. Are they rocky worlds like our own Earth, or are they gas giants, orbited by moons that could harbor life? Only time and exploration will tell. The search for life beyond Earth is one of humanity's most profound endeavors. The discovery of even microbial life on another planet would be a momentous occasion, proving that we are not alone in the universe. We may find resources beyond our wildest dreams, or we may encounter challenges we never could have anticipated. But one thing is certain, the journey itself will be transformative. Section 8. A Universe of Connections. Even as we journey to the stars, we must never forget our connection to Earth. The lessons we learn, the challenges we overcome, and the discoveries we make will enrich life on our home planet. Communication across the vast distances of interstellar space will be a constant challenge, but also a constant thread tying us back to our origins. The knowledge we gain will be shared, benefiting all of humanity. Our journey to the stars is not about escaping Earth, but about embracing a larger perspective. It is about understanding our place in the universe and becoming citizens of the cosmos. Section 9. A Future Written in the Stars. The year is 2250. Humanity stands on the threshold of a new era. As we venture out into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of generations past and the aspirations of generations to come. The challenges are immense, but so too are the rewards. Our journey to Alpha Centauri will test our limits, push our boundaries, and redefine what it means to be human. The future is unwritten, a vast canvas waiting for us to paint upon it. And among the stars, we will find our destiny. We will find a future worthy of our dreams.